Why do we need sleep? Have you ever wondered, why do we need to sleep? The brain needs rest. Daytime brain busy all day. Brain night calm down and fade out. Night brain sleep peacefully in a small blanket. Our brain works all day long and needs rest to stay sharp and healthy. The body heals itself. A sleeping child. Inside the body are tiny cell workers fixing tissues and patching things up. When we sleep, our body fixes little injuries and helps us feel better. Sleep boosts memory. Daytime memories playing. Studying float into a memory cabinet inside the brain. Sleep helps our brain remember what we learned and did during the day. We grow during sleep. While we sleep, our body releases special hormones that help us grow tall and strong. Wake up happy and energetic.
Yay! Yes!
After a good night's sleep, we wake up full of energy and ready to smile. Let's recap. Sleep helps us. Brain rest. Body repair. Memory boost. Growth. Happy mood. Let's remember, sleep helps us rest, heal, remember, grow, and feel good. Interactive question. Now it's your turn. How many hours do you sleep each night? Please write your answer below the video. Good night. It's time to sleep now. Sweet dreams, little scientists. Meow.